In this video lecture, we will look at how to import time series data from various web data sources and your local machine. But before that, let me introduce you to another data structure called the data frame. The underlying idea of a data frame is based on spreadsheets. Data frame is a two-dimensional data structure where the data is stored in a tabular format, comprising of rows and columns. This table is set on a labeled axis, that is, if you consider the top left corner of the table as the point of origin, then axis equals 0 for rows, and axis equals 1 for columns. Further, these rows and columns are indexed, that is, it is possible to find the exact location of any data point within the table. The size of the table is mutable, and arithmetic operations can be performed on rows and columns. Further, any particular column of the table can be of different data type from the rest. For example, in this data frame, the column 1 consists of employee ID, a string, column 2 consists of names of the employees, again string, and column 3 consists of employee salary, which is an integer. Data frame is a pandas object, and a most commonly used one. It can be created using the following syntax. Before creating a data frame, you obviously need to import the pandas library into your namespace. Have a look at a few examples on pandas data frame. These data frames are created from lists, dictionaries, and arrays. You can learn more on this in the IPYTHON notebook of the pandas section. Usually, the financial data that is pulled from various data sources is stored as data frames. Online sources to import OEHLC data include Quantra, IEX Finance, and Yahoo Finance. For Indian stocks data, you can use NSEPI. Now let us understand the code that can be used to import data from Yahoo Finance. In the first line, we import the library, pandas. Next, from the pandas data reader library, we import the module, data. Next, we have imported fix Yahoo Finance package. We will further use the ptr.getDataYahoo function to store the required data in our data frame. The first 5 lines of the data frame, df, is printed using the head function. Another way to work with financial data is to upload a CSV file and save it as a data frame. Use pandas.readCSV function and input the CSV final path to it, as done here. The first 5 rows of the data frame inf is printed using the head function. In the upcoming IPYTHON notebook, we will further discuss how to import time series data from other web data sources, such as Quantra,